Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss procurement versus purchasing. The two terms often used interchangeably, but they are not the same. Understanding the difference is essential knowledge for anyone entering the procurement profession. Are procurement and purchasing the same? The answer is no. Although both terms are related, they have different objectives and responsibilities. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand the difference between procurement and purchasing. What is purchasing? Purchasing is the process of buying goods and services. It mainly focuses on raising purchase orders, placing orders with suppliers, following up on deliveries, receiving invoices, processing payments. The main objective of purchasing is buy the required products at the right time and at the right place. For example, the IT department needs 10 laptops. The purchasing team receives the request and places an order with the supplier. This activity is called purchasing. What is procurement? Procurement is much broader than purchasing. It includes requirement planning, supplier identification, vendor evaluation, negotiation, contract management, purchasing activities, supplier performance management. The main objective of procurement is creating long-term value for the organization while reducing costs and risks. Procurement is considered as strategic function. Five key differences here, a quick reference comparison of how purchasing and procurement differ across five critical dimensions. Dimension: scope, approach, supplier relationship, focus, decision making. Purchasing: buying products only, transaction based, short term, price, operational. Coming to the procurement: complete end-to-end process, strategy based, long term partnership, total value, strategic. In simple manner, one more time I will tell you: dimension, purchasing, procurement; scope, buying products only, complete end-to-end procurement process; approach, transaction based, strategy based; supplier relationship, short term, long term partnership; focus, price, total value; decision making, operational, strategic. A real life example: buying laptops. Let's make in concrete. You company needs 10 laptop for the IT department. Years how each team responds. Purchasing team receives the requirement, place the order with supplier, process the payment. Procurement team studies and validates the requirement, identifies and evaluates suppliers, negotiate pricing and terms, signs contracts and manages the relationship, ensure warranty and ongoing support. Scope and approach: a closer look. Purchasing versus procurement. Reactive, proactive. Transactional, strategic. Order focused, value focused. Price driven and relationship driven. Short term, long term. Supplier relationship versus transaction versus partnership. Why Relationship matter. Purchasing treats supplier as vendor, a means to an end. Procurement treats them as a partners, a source of competitive advantage. Short-term purchasing, one of transaction price focused, easily switched. Long-term procurement, ongoing collaboration, innovation, shared risk and rewardness. Career opportunities in procurement. Procurement is a high demand field with clear career progression. These roles exist across virtually everyday industry. Procurement executive, entry level role managing purchase orders and supplier communication. Uh, Sourcing specialist, identify and evaluate suppliers to meet organization needs. Vendor manager, manage ongoing suppliers, relationships and performance. Strategic sourcing manager, leads long-term sourcing, strategic on contract negotiation, industries hiring, IT, manufacturing, constructions, pharmaceuticals, banking, and healthcare. Key takeaways, let's recap the core differences. Keep these in mind for your interviews and early career. Purchasing versus procurement. Buying activity only, end-to-end static process. Operational and transactional, relationship and value driven. Short-term focus, long-term partnerships. Price driven, reduces cost and risk. The core objective is purchasing is a subset of procurement. Understanding these destinations is the first step to a procurement professional.